Good morning students. Today we are going to see the topic adaptation in animals. Structural adaptation. The changes in the physical features of an animal to adjust its environment are called structural adaptations. In this picture you can see tiger hiding in a grass. The bodies of many animals look like their surroundings in color or pattern. This helps them to hide easily. A tiger's stripes help it to hide in the grass. This helps it to catch its prey easily. Porcupines have pointed quills. Quills means a needle-shaped feathers. So the porcupines have pointed quills on their body to protect themselves from predators. In first picture you can see the padded feet of a camel. Camels have padded feet to walk on the hot sand of the desert. Due to survive harsh environmental conditions. So its structural adaptations is naturally made like this. In second picture you can saw the hummingbird. Hummingbirds have a straw-like beak to drink the nectar from flowers. This straw-like beak helps to gather food. Apart from showing changes in physical features, animals also adapt in the way their bodies work. This helps them to adjust to their environment. The dogs start shivering to generate body heat during the cold winter season. Dogs pant in summer, which causes the saliva on the tongue to evaporate and cool them down. Similarly, many animals like snakes and scorpions produce venom to catch prey or protect themselves from predators. Venom, V-E-N-O-M. Venom means poisonous liquid. Many animals adjust to their environment by changing their behavior or actions. Such adaptations are also called as behavioral adaptations. In first picture you can see a polar bear, that is a hibernating polar bear. The polar bear undergo a long and deep winter sleep to cope with the extremely cold weather. This is called hibernation. During this period, they do not eat or remove waste from their bodies. Their heart rate also slows down during this period to save energy. And second picture shows an opossum acts dead to fool the predator. Opossum is a bird-like animal. An opossum behaves like a dead animal and gives off a foul smell when they are in danger. This protects them from being eaten by predators. So thus students, today we learned about the structural adaptations and behavioral adaptations of animals and also some changes in body process of animals.